Alright, let's work on the Black Beauty, I suppose. Here's what we're working on. Here's what we got. So obviously same size. Went with the Lionheart. Brad's had these on the Camaro for years. And they do really well. So let's lift her up. Alright, got our new meats. A little dirty already, been driving on them. Now it's time to get this parking brake situation figured out now. So it's all the way up. I believe this side, yeah, this side locks alright. I believe this side, yeah. So, let's undo it. Okay, so with this stuff, you have to actually take the rotor off and adjust it that way. It's not like some where you can just reach behind and do it. Want some light? Yeah, there we go. Make sure we don't get that dirty. Should be able to swing this up and take it out. Yep. Okay. Now I'll get this stuff off. We'll make adjustments and then I'll show you how we'll test it without having to put everything back together. And I'm only gonna do the one side since the other side, even with the wheel on, I tried turning it and it was quite tight. So we'll just do this side. Oh yeah, she's a little chewed up. So we'll clean this out. I can see, hope you guys see what's going on here. Here's what we're going after. So we're gonna turn that guy. I can't remember which way is which, so we're just gonna have to test this. But I believe. Go ahead and put a rotor back on. We'll use a open-ended nut here. And we'll screw it all the way down to kind of simulate a wheel on there. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright. The other way. Alright, so I think we're good. So start reassembling here. And since I messed with the brakes, I'll add a little bit of grease to everything. Alright, so take this back off, put our wheel on, and do one final test. Alright, good enough. So tighten these down, drop the rear end, and pick up the front end so we can work on our bumper support. Alright, so get this off, get the headlights out and off to the side. Now with the SCT kit, we're gonna have to take off the fender wells with the bumper. Start cracking it, see what I get. Alright, so those are out. So let's get the three. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'd say we found our problem there. Wow. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's undo those. Going under here maybe. Nope. Off of the oldest, so we still have to get the Yeah, we still gotta get these guys out of here. Alright. Got our culprit. Yeah, let's say I broke it. Next is off to a junkyard to get another one of these. So we got a new piece. Pretty good shape. Nothing broken this time. Ready to slap this thing back together and hopefully not break it again. Alright, so here's the final product. Nice and tight. Much better. So now we're gonna take it to the drive and visit a friend. See where we go. So we made it one piece. Of course, he picked something fancy. So wait for him to come down now, and then we'll see what our room looks like. So I've got a story to tell, but I wanted to wait for you to come down for me to tell the story.
I don't give a crap.
So no, so I wanted to wait till you to come out here. Yep, exactly. So we can't make a drive without shenanigans, right? No, you're right.
Is on that side?
Oh yeah, it's like it sits like this way.
Oh, I see.
Against the frame around here. See the big old hole? Yeah.
Shenanigans.
I forgot this too.
Send me a thing. Now wait.
Look at that, it's already ready for us. Ooh. Ooh. What was the room number? 25,
I was
right?
hoping that you would recognize it. You're smarter than you look.
Oh, look at this. That's what we like. Alright, unpacked from that trip. Didn't really film too much down there. Really wasn't the point of the trip. More to go down and visit and just hang out with Kyle. So don't get to see him too often, to try to take advantage of being able to do that. But yeah, so now is time to prep for Pittsburgh. So the day before, we're actually gonna be setting up an Enthusiast with those calipers that I shared on social media, that I got red powder coated. So we're gonna hook them up with F-body front and new rears. Probably film best I can. I don't know if that'll be included with the Pittsburgh video, maybe not, don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Hope to see you guys out there. If you are heading out there, definitely drive safe. I should be out there 2 p.m. on Saturday. Definitely as soon as I get down there, probably gonna touch this thing up, clean it, whatever I do to make it look half decent before our cruise, and then check in my hotel. Definitely look at all the details on the event page. If you got any questions, let me know. Hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.